Hi everyone, it's our math time and we actually have two quick warm-up activities we're going to do before you go to Zern for your lesson for the day. So the first one is called Digit Detectives. So if you have your math notebook or something to write on, go ahead and get that because I'm going to be giving you clues and you'll be writing a number like a detective. Okay, so I'll be giving you place value clues and then you're going to write the tens and the ones. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself a tens and a ones place. If you want, you can go ahead and make our place value chart where we have our tens and our ones like this. Okay, so all of our numbers will fit in here. We're not going to do any hundreds. We're just doing tens and ones today. And it's a little bit of listening and thinking about the place value. So the first one, for my detectives, ready? Write it down. The first one, the digit in the tens place is 2. The digit in the ones place is 7. Say the number in 3, 2, 1. It's 27. Very good. So we have 2 tens, 7 ones makes 27. All right, we're going to do another number. This number is going to be a little bit bigger. The number, now listen, I might try to trick you. I'll mix them up. The number in the ones place is 9. And the number in the tens place is 8. So you should have your number written. Show me in 3, 2, 1. 89. So we have 8 tens, 9 ones. 80 and 9 is 89. All right, let's do 2 more, my detectives. All right, let's see. The number in the tens place is 4. And the number in the ones place is 2. Show the number and say it in 3, 2, 1. 42. 4 tens, 2 ones. That would be 40. If we have 4 tens, it's 40. And 2 ones would be 42. All right, one more. I'm going to try to make it super challenging. Oh, okay, I got it. The number in the ones place is 8. And the number in the tens place is 9. All right, show and say the number in 3, 2, 1. 98. So we have 9 tens, 8 ones. 9 tens is the same as 90. And then 8 ones. 90 and 8 is 98. All right, we're going to be using these big numbers to help us fill in number bonds and fact families today. So my number bond, I'm going to draw it a little differently than usual because I'm going to draw it really big and I'm going to show that it all connects. Okay, so you can go ahead and draw a number bond or you can just watch this one and then you'll do one on the next slide. So if you want to, you can practice and do it with me or you can just watch and then do it on the next slide. Okay, so I'm going to do my big number bond. I'm going to break apart the tens and the ones, and my challenge for myself is I want to write the fact families inside the number bond. And you'll have all of this on the next slide. You won't have to fill it in like I am, but I'm just doing it for an example. So see, I'll have my fact families on the inside. My 2 different ways I can write it as an adding sentence, and the 2 ways I can do it as a subtraction or a takeaway sentence. Okay, I'm gonna choose a big number. The number we're gonna break apart for our practice, and then you're gonna do on your own, so it'd be good to pay attention right now. Our practice number is 78. So that's your whole. So always we'll write our wholes in the top. 78 is our whole. Oh, that's such a big number. But guess what? We just practiced taking the tens and the ones. Okay, now is it 7 for our tens? Should I just put a 7 over here? And an 8 over here? 7 plus 8 would give me 15. So we need to remember that this is not just a 7. This stands for 7 tens. So let's do our adding really fast. Let's skip count by tens. So 7 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 tens is the same as 70. So I'm gonna make this 70, not just 7. So 70 plus 8 gives us 78. That's our first adding sentence that we could write. So if you're writing, write this down. If you're just listening, then pay attention because you'll do this for the next slide and I'll be looking at your work, okay? So 70 plus 8 is 78. Okay, what's the other way we can flip this around? So I went this way, 70 plus 8 is 78. What's the other way I can make another adding sentence for our fact families? Okay, I hope you figured out. We can go the other way. 8 plus 70 makes 78. It's kind of a circle. 70 plus 8 makes 78, and 8 plus 70 makes 78. So I'm going to write that now. And we've done a lot of number bonds and fact families. Our numbers are just getting bigger and bigger. So it's good to remember all that stuff that we've practiced, because we've done this, but with smaller numbers. Now they're getting so big, which is awesome. All right, now we're gonna do some takeaway sentences, some subtraction. Now, do you remember when we're doing subtraction, what number do we start with? The parts or the whole? We start with the whole. So we're gonna start with 78, and we can go either way. We can go this way in a circle, or we can go this way in a circle. It doesn't matter, but we're always gonna start with our whole to write a subtraction sentence. 78, take away, let's go this way. 70 would give us, so 78, take away 70 gives us 8. I'm gonna write that down. Now let's think of it the other way. 78, take away 8 gives us 70. Wow, I can't believe these numbers are so big. I am so proud of you guys. We have learned a lot in first grade math this year, and it's kind of built. We've done easy problems with number bonds, and now they're getting harder and harder. And we've done easy problems with fact families, and now they're getting bigger and bigger, which is awesome because you're getting smarter and smarter. So proud of you. All right, so on the next slide, I'm gonna give you a big number, like 78, and I want you to think how many tens and how many ones. And if you want to, you can do a place value chart on the side and just quickly show that there's 7 tens and 8 ones. If that helps you break it up and remember. Kind of sloppy. There we go. 7 tens and 8 ones. So you can remember it's 70 plus 8 gives us 78. And then see if you can fill in the place value or the fact families, okay? Now I can look back and see your work on Nearpod. So do an awesome job, okay? I'm gonna be looking back and seeing if you guys can figure out how to do this, okay? So show me your awesome work. I'm so excited to see it. And then after this, you're gonna be doing lesson 4 on Zearn, okay? If you've already finished lesson 4, then just get on Freckle and do some math on there or on Prodigy. If you haven't finished through lesson 4, finish all the lessons and finish lesson 4 today, so you're ready for lesson 5 tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye, have a great rest of your day.